Good morning. Today is Monday, November 25th, 2024. Our oldest, Ava, left for college 3 months ago and came home for the first time late Friday night. It has been such a joy having her around again this weekend. Thanksgiving gives us a chance to appreciate what we have: friendships, relationships, and a sense of connection. And these gifts are priceless. And with that, I want to thank you for choosing us as your trusted wealth management firm, for allowing me to help you pursue your goals, and for the time that you take to join us here each week. That is a trust that I will never take for granted. So, from all of us at CCG, I hope this Thanksgiving brings you some beautiful memories. We wish you a great Thanksgiving and a wonderful holiday season.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
Stocks advanced last week, powering ahead with pre-holiday optimism despite geopolitical tensions and two disappointing third quarter corporate updates. The Standard & Poor's 500 index rose 1.68%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index gained 1.73%. The Dow Jones Industrials Average led, picking up 1.96%. And the MSCI EAFE index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, was essentially flat or down 0.05%. The 10-year Treasury bond yield came in at 4.41%. Hasn't moved a whole lot lately. It is up 5% from a month ago and down slightly from a year ago. We watch these yields because as these yields fall, the value of bonds will rise. Stocks showed mixed results during the first half of the week due to geopolitical tensions that boosted precious metals and put pressure on treasury yields. The Dow Industrials jumped out in front midweek and never looked back. Disappointing earnings on Tuesday from a large box retailer held back some gains in the broader S&P 500. A mixed third quarter update report from the nation's leading AI chip making company also tempered gains a bit. Year-end optimism, especially around consumers driving a healthy holiday shopping season, supported the rally for much of the week. Fresh data that weekly jobless claims dropped to a 7-month low also lifted spirits. For several weeks now, investors have favored small cap names over larger cap issues. This trend was again on display this week. The Russell 2000, an index of 2,000 small cap companies, widely used as a benchmark for U.S. small cap stocks, rose 4.5% for the 5 trading days last week. In the month to date through November 22nd, the Russell is up nearly 9%. Looking ahead to this week with the Thanksgiving holiday, we do have a shortened week, but we also have some key economic data that we're watching starting tomorrow, Tuesday. We get a look at consumer confidence as well as new home sales and the minutes from the FOMC meeting. Wednesday, we get the gross domestic product or GDP report, also durable goods, pending home sales, and then personal income and outlays. The markets will be closed on Thursday, as will our office. We will look for you again the following Monday. With the shortened week, we do have some companies reporting earnings. Of course, at CCG, we primarily invest in individual stocks, cutting out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. The companies that we are watching as they report this week, Agilent Technologies, and then tomorrow Analog, Dell, and CrowdStrike. So shortened week, but we do have some things to be keeping our eye on. To learn more about our low-cost, fully transparent, and personalized approach to investing in individual stocks, you can visit smartmixportfolios.com. At 2 p.m. Central today, I will be sending out our full update for the week. This update includes more than what I talk about here on Monday mornings, including our popular weekly tax tip. Did you know that you have the right to challenge the IRS. As a taxpayer, you can challenge the IRS's position. This is part of the Taxpayer Bill of Rights, which outlines your fundamental rights when working with the IRS. In this week's update, we highlight 5 components of this Taxpayer Bill of Rights. So if you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe at our website. Of course, that is investwithccg.com. We send out this weekly tax tip, and as well as more than what I talk about here on Monday mornings. And then lastly, again, from all of us at CCG, thank you for the trust that you put in us every day. We work hard every day to maintain that trust, and we sincerely hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving week.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.